speaking now?
I don't know anything about my husband's death. I don't know anything about my husband's death. Babe, I'm sorry.
See, Mama, give it to Papa. And never God, feels again. I'll be your good boy. I'll be your gangster. If they approach you, say I'm. Oh my God, honey.
Babe, I miss you so much.
I miss you too.
I just woke up and I was looking everywhere, but you were nowhere to be found.
Oh, yeah, my love.
Babe, I want you to go and sleep beside me. I miss you.
I want to cook for you.
I know you can cook later. I'm not hungry right now. I miss you. Come on.
I miss you too. Babe, sorry.
You know how much I love you, and I can't just I can't just be.
I know you love me, and I love you the same.
I don't know, but anytime you are not around me, I just feel like something has lost. Yeah, it feels like I've lost a treasure.
But I'm here, honey.
I know you are here. I want you to get stuck to me always, baby. I miss you so much. See, next time when we are sleeping, you wake up. You gotta wake me up too.
I'll do that this time.
So what are you preparing?
And my own cheat to sing for me, my favorite song.
Okay, let me. I just woke up. My voice is no good.
I want that one. I want $1 million.
Okay.
Okay.
If you love me, make you roll. Enemies go to them, go fight, but still we go carry on. Fire burn them Babylons. Baby, don't give up, we go conquer. Honey, dance you to my conquer. Make you not walk with your tempo. Follow me, you jam this bumper. Do you want $1 million? I said, Debbie, I give you my body and soul on a silver platter. Yeah. Do you want $1 million? $1 million. Give you my body and soul on a golden platter.
I'll be my last day.
Yeah, I say. I know what I say. If you love me, give me blow. I know say haters go talk trash, but the truth be say be my main crash. Haters go see, they go run to the bush. I don't get Gucci, I don't get Prada, I don't get nothing. I get. I'm just going inside me, my baby.
Babe, I'll miss you.
Babe, I'm gonna miss you more. But I'll send it to you first. Let me meet you on more meeting.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, because more cherry. I don't think I'll be able to finish my breakfast.
Baby, finish it.
Babe, I can't. The driver is even in. So.
Alright, give me pay.
Oh, my day. Okay, babe. See you in the evening. Yeah.
Alright, baby. Take care.
Alright.
I love you.
Love you too.
My time is even up.
Madam, good morning.
Good morning, Adjoa. Please, how are you?
I'm doing fine, and you?
I hope you're good.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll be leaving to make sure you tired everything.
I will. I will.
Take good care of yourself.
Yes.
And my house too.
You look
Bye.
nice. Thank you. You always look beautiful. Oh. This couple. They make me remember my olden days. My olden days, me and my boyfriend.
If you look deep in my eyes, do you see the love of God? It's a secret love, secret love.
Baby.
He's not here.
Mama.
He's not here.
Sita.
He's not here.
Mamacita. I got you, baby.
I got you too.
Babe, I miss you.
I miss you too.
Where have you been?
I was inside.
Come sit on my laps. I came from work. I was looking for you all around, but you were nowhere to be found.
No, inside.
You were inside. But what do you have? What do you have for me?
Adjoa!
I miss you.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. What did you buy for me?
It's in the bedroom. It's a surprise. You're looking so fresh. You're looking, my baby. You're looking so fresh. So fresh. You are my guitar. Let me play.
Honey, stop it.
Oh, what's good, bro?
Honey, I want you to sing for me.
Hey, Adjoa, maybe I will call there. Okay, that's lovely. Okay,
I brought you some cookies and
cookies. Oh, we got some snacks here, baby.
Thank
We
you.
got some snacks. Come on, give it to. I don't like it when you do that to me.
Oh, good for me.
Oh.
I'll not mind.
Oh,
Babe, how was work?
babe, it was cool, but just a little bit stressful, you know.
I'm so sorry. What did you eat in the afternoon?
Nothing. I wanted to come home and have you for myself because you are the biggest dinner I can never have, my baby.
You're not serious. Babe, they have promoted me.
What? You've been promoted. Oh my days, babe.
Relax. I know you have to relax.
This really calls for celebration. Let's go out. Let's go shower. Go out. Let's go have a dinner outside. We're not eating home tonight. It calls for a big celebration, baby.
All right. Okay, let's go.
Let's go. Oh my baby. Oh my baby. My baby has been promoted and the queen actress. Woo!
happy for them. Oh, how lovely.
Love me, I say love you. Do you care, I say care. If you look deep in my eyes, do you
Dadu,
see the love of God?
Yes, madam.
come here.
Love me, I say love you.
Yes, madam.
So what is not there?
We don't have yam
Yam. What again?
and meat.
Meat.
The rice is almost finished.
Okay.
And we also need pepper and tomato and onion.
Okay. I hope you have put the stew on the fire.
Yes.
Okay. Then take this
Should I
man.
finish warming it?
No. Go and buy it. Go to market, buy the stuffs.
Okay.
Be fast.
Okay, madam. Okay. Madam, please, I'll see you later.
All right. Bye. Take care. Make sure you come early.
Okay, thank you.
I don't want my husband to starve.
What?
Oh, wow. Hey, you are not serious at all. Like, can you do that? Okay. Wait. I'm coming.
Oh, baby.
Babe, how are you?
I'm good.
Alright.
What do you have in the kitchen?
They're so lucky.
Babe, the food is burning. Honey, the food is burning.
Baby, come and see something.
Babe,
You said this is so nice.
the food is burning.
Oh my goodness! Babe,
Where is Adjoa?
she has gone to market. I'm coming.
Oh,
I nearly burned the house.
Baby, sometimes you have to pay a little attention. The food is
Okay,
burning. You are here
It's okay, honey.
watching TikTok.
It's okay. It will not happen again.
Come on.
I'm sorry.
I'm hungry. Go get me something sweet. Since Adjoa is not around yet, go get me something.
What do you want to eat? Eat biscuits.
No, I don't want
Eat
any snacks.
biscuits.
I said I want food now. Go tear my food, give me. What you doing, babe? Rice. I've
But
seen
I'm
you cooking
here.
rice. I know. Yours is gonna be in the evening.
No, I want it now.
Babe, come on. Be serious for once. What's that?
I'm serious.
I know. Be serious for once. Go get me my food and stop what you're doing.
It's me.
What you mean? It's me.
It's me.
This is not gonna satisfy me. Go get me my food.
Let's have that.
Unless you come from the market before, so you can't go serve me. You can't.
I can. But you're hearing me, I miss you.
Let me go tear the food
No,
myself.
no.
Yes, let me go tear the food myself. I'll be back.
Okay, baby.
Mama.
Babe.
You are calling me babe. What's the meaning of what you are doing? Because it's something now doing this, You just woke up. All you can do is to come sit here, take your phone, go to social media and watch videos. What sort of rubbish is this? What sort of crap?
Babe, why are you talking to me like
I have
that?
to talk to you like that because when you wake up as a married woman, what do you have to do?
Daddy, are you insane? Are you correct? Why are you talking to me as if I'm your child?
You are telling me I'm insane.
Because I don't understand.
Oh, really? So
I don't understand.
really, you got balls to tell me I'm insane?
I'm asking you.
They say me because when you are trying,
You don't have to insult me. You don't have to insult me, babe.
And who the hell do you think you are?
Who are you?
I married you. I'm the man of that house.
So what?
Boss, please, you don't.
Hey!
And
asked you to talk?
who called you here?
Leave!
Who called you? Let me tell you, let today be your first and last. When you wake up in the morning, do what you have to do.
Why are you talking as if you're a man? Come.
Wow.
Next time you try this rubbish, you see me.
Wow. Why do you talk because you think you are a man? Oh, really? So I'm no longer the man of this house. Hey, Mama!
I'm sorry.
What's your problem? This is our personal issue.
I'm sorry, madam. I'm sorry.
Let me warn you. From today onwards, I don't want to see you in my bedroom again.
Yes, madam.
I don't want you to serve my husband again.
Yes, madam.
I don't want you to do anything for my husband again.
Oh, madam. So,
Hey, keep quiet. I'm talking. You're also talking. I don't want you to come close or near my man. Even if you see him dead, leave him there.
yes, madam.
This is a warning to you.
Yes.
Otherwise,
I'll pray for madam. She needs prayers. I'll pray for her.